Greetings everyone, I am Siddharth going to explain about a new topic in web development that is based on HTML5 and JavaScript. So actually JavaScript is known as a well-known scripting language for both front-end and back-end. So here we have some exercises which we are gonna do with the help of JavaScript. That is basic examples or basic programs which consist of calculation of weight and height of BMI and to perform calculations, and also calculators are of two types and only one bar calculator and two bar calculator, etc. So here as we see the code, the JavaScript codes are enclosed within the script tag in which the JavaScript logic is being written over here, and without a script JavaScript could not be executed. So the advantage in JavaScript is that the script code can be enclosed the script only the script tag, but only script tag is the only parameter. So the script tag which consists of the JavaScript can be enclosed everywhere. That is not compulsory. It's not mandatory that it should be added on head tag. It can be added everywhere, anywhere. So here this is the logic of the BMI code, that is declared two variables, and also given an ID name by which the value entered in that specific ID will be returned by this variables. And with these variables we have know the formula vm, that is vm is equal to weight square of height. So there are some parameters or these are characteristics to which in order to specify the BMI in four different functions: underweight and normal, overweight and obsessed, etc. So this is logic. If the BMI is less than 18, these are some of the parameters in which these are enclosed. The value which enclosed in between these will be given the same value of the prescribed one. So another style tag is used to enclose some styling elements, that is of CSS code. So style tag is mandated that should be added in the head tag itself. So there are some buttons and some different IDs and class names through which we can style different various HTML elements. So this is everything. These are the CSS codes. And now comes the first experiment, that is of calculator. So actually I have given two IDs and two different variables through which two text boxes are to be displayed and four buttons. Various buttons are this of addition, multiplication, subtraction, division. So these variables retrieve the values which are taken by these IDs which are specified, and they perform necessary calculations which are performed, which are typed that. So these are various of subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. So and next here comes these are various buttons or this with the button. By clicking the button, the on-click function, the on-click heading in which the function is added will be redirected to that. So by typing that button, the function to which the button is assigned to be redirected, and the function has been executed, and the result has been displayed. So we'll see this shortly in our Chrome, in our web browser. So and here comes the BMI, the HTML code of BMI, and so yes, this code is of calculator, second type of calculator, that is the calculator consists of only one text box. So it's used, the logic of this is written using the eval function in the JavaScript, and this consists of various buttons. So the first entered button will be taken as a dividend, as two various different numbers, etc. So we'll see it's working after 5 minutes later. So this is a code. This is the JavaScript code for the conversion of Indian rupee to the US dollars. So we have four subdivided experiments. So all the four subdivided experiments have been completed, and we'll see they're working. So this is the JavaScript code, and this is the similar HTML5 code. So now we'll see they're working. So guys, so this is our web page which consists of four different experiments: 1, 2, 3, and 4. So as I said, the calculator, this is the first type of calculator. This is the second type of calculator, which second type has only one text box, but the first one has two. So these are various buttons. So now we'll see the working. So I wanna add 12. So 12 and 78. So by adding this, we'll get 90. By subtracting, we'll get 166. By multiplying, we'll get 936. By division, we'll get 0.15. And by percentage is the separate button I have added, which I have added. And then while calculating the BMI mass index, so I'll go my weight as 65, so I'm 65 kgs. and we'll see the height in meters. So actually I'm 165 centimeters, that is 1.65 meters. I guess so, yeah, but my body shape is normal. Thank you. So then we'll see the working of this type of calculator. Right. So we have to type this button, so we can't manually type over this text box as we did in this one. So I want to add 96, and so this is retrieved as a first value, the first variable, and after plus negative 11 and 89. So here the result should be displayed the same text box itself. So this addition also varies for the function which have displayed, that is which have conveyed, that's maybe addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So this will be added and this will be executed using the eval function which I've discussed in JavaScript. So now this is the answer. 89 plus 96 gives us 185. So and here is this is a conversion. So I have created two various scroll, that is drop down menu. So if you want to add some USD dollars, you'll get this converted. Right. So here comes to the end of our experiment using JavaScript, and the next experiment will discuss on the JavaScript animation. Thank you.